Just now, ADMK member, DMK member accused our ADMK party. I want to answer first for that. Madam, during the DMK regime only, there are a lot of scams in the cooperative banks. Many criminal cases are pending on the DMK members. But he is accusing us. Secondly, madam, they gave wrong promises to the public in election manifesto regarding the banking loans. Because coming to the students' welfare and farmers' welfare, I would like to draw attention of the House. The false promises made the DMK in the election manifesto 2021 Assembly and 24 Lok Sabha election. They promised that agricultural gold loans can be taken by marginal farmers from cooperative banks will be waived off. They have not waived off. Promised farmers will be given interest-free loans. They are not given. They promised giving the free loan, but they are not given.
माननीय सदस्य कृपया आप विधेयक पर ही बोलें।
सर बैंक लोन समझेंगे।
कृपया आप विधेयक पर ही बोलें।
मैडम,
आप बैठ जाएं।
मैडम, they said
आप विधेयक पर ही बोलें माननीय सदस्य।
Students bank loan, they are going to waive.
अपनी सीट पर बैठ जाएं, बोल रहे हैं।
They said on the students bank loan.
आप कृपया बैठ जाएं माननीय सदस्य। बिल पे बोलिए। माननीय सदस्य कृपया बिल पर ही बोलें। रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा, बैठ जाएं आप।
मैडम,
आप बैठ जाएं, माननीय सदस्य बैठ जाएं। प्लीज सिट। आप बोले माननीय सदस्य।
मैडम, he spoke about the ADMK party. That is why I am replying for that. Because DMK party gave the false promises to the students, waiving the loan, study loans. If they waived the loans, let them to answer. Like NEET examination, they are going to abolish. They are not abolished. The same way, they mislead the whole students, thinking they are waiving the loans of the studies, they have not done. The same way, they asked the farmers to draw the loan, putting the jewels and everything in the bank. Poor people, believing the DMK people, promised they borrowed the loan. They will not give. They poor agriculture family members, all the families are suffering.
माननीय सदस्य,
I am telling
इस
the fact.
संदर्भ में नियमों के अंतर्गत
मैडम
जांच की जाएगी। आप बैठ जाएं, माननीय सदस्य, आप बैठ जाएं। आप कृपया बिल पर ही बोले माननीय सदस्य।
No. I am not misleading.
नियमों के अंतर्गत ही इसका आकलन किया जाएगा। यदि कोई असंगति होगी तो वो रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा।
मैडम, why you spoke about ADMK party?
माननीय सदस्य आप बैठ जाएं।
DMK member accused ADMK.
इस संदर्भ के नियमों के अंतर्गत ही आकलन किया जाएगा। यदि कोई असंगत होगी तो वह रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा। कृपया आप बैठ जाएं। माननीय सदस्य आप बैठ जाएं। आप बोले माननीय सदस्य, आप बोले।
मैडम, I want and also.
Please.
This is the subject. This is the bank loan is the subject, which DMK government failed to fulfill the promise, the farmers and students. That is the bank loans. I'm telling. The cooperative bank, he said, cooperative bank scandals that took place more in a DMK period. That is the fact. Many criminal cases are pending.
धन्यवाद।